ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ ವಾರ್ತೆಗರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗಾರ್ಡಿಗೇಂದ್ರ.
ದಿನಾಂಕ ಜೂನ್ 9, 2026ರಂದು ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋ ವುಮೆನ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಗಲ್ಫ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ 3 ದಿನ ಜೆಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಸಿ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂದ್ಯಾವಳಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಜೆಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಸಿ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಖಜಾಂಚಿ ಡಿವಿ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್, ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಕೆಎಸ್ ಸುಧೀರ್, ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಸಿಎಸ್ ಕಿನಿ, ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಒಒ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಎಚ್ಎಸ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗಲ್ಫ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಪರಮ್ಜಿತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಸದಸ್ಯ ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣಾ ವಿಆರ್ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಬಲರಾಮ್, ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್, ಗಲ್ಫ್ ಆಟಗಾರ್ತಿಯರಾದ ಪ್ರಣವಿ ಅರಸ್, ವಾಣಿ ಕಪೂರ್, ರಿದಿಮಾ ಟ್ರೇಸಾ, ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಸದಸ್ಯ ಮಹದೇವಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮದು 3ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಗಾಲ್ಫು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದು ಗುರುವಾರದಿಂದ ಶನಿವಾರಗೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. 3 ರೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 7:00ರಿಂದ 10:00 ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 51 ಜನ ಬಂದು ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದು 17 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಶನಿವಾರ 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಗುರುವಾರ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಿತೀಶ್ ಪಟೇಲ್ IAS ಆಫೀಸರ್, ವಿಜಿಲ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಬಂತ ವಿಷಯ. ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಾಂಬೆ, ಗುರ್ಗಾಂವ್, ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದಲೂ 50 ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇರೋದು 14 years ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಬೋವ್ ಅಂತ. ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಏಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಯಾರ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು 50ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಆಟ ಆಡಿ 50 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಅರುಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ನಾನು ಗಾಲ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು
Today we have 71 lady professionals in India, and the total prize purse for the tour is 2.5 crores every year. We have some of the current leading players sitting on the dais with me. Besides Pranavi, we have the current Order of Merit leader Ridhima, the past Order of Merit leader Vani, Tresa. All these girls are now playing on the Ladies European Tour, and we hope the press will support us and keep covering our events to make the sport more popular. Thank you.
JWGC. This course has been set up for the ladies on international standards, and we are playing roughly 6,000 yards for them, 5,991 exactly the number of yards. We will start, we have arranged this course with the markings and setup that we generally follow for professional standards, which is a very high standard of play. And all these girls have, in the last 3 years, shown excellent performance here. I think this year we almost doubled the number of players, 51 players this year. So this is a great, I think it reflects the interest that players have to come and play in a course like this. It is their option to play, and when they come and they exercise that option, it reflects how the course is performing and how it is presented to players. The challenge in this course always is not only the yardage but also the strong wind, which channels through between the mountains and the Chamandi Hill and the city here, and it is always a challenge for golfers. But I'm sure our players will acquit themselves very well on this course, and we're looking forward to 3 challenging rounds. So 11th, 12th, 13th, 3 rounds is what we will play, and the cumulative score will count for the players standing and the winners for the tournament. So we look forward to their success here, and we also look forward to the press covering their performance here, which I think will be very interesting to watch. This is unique. But what we have here is a course that has got the yardages meant for our players of this standard. So, you can have a short course depending on how much area you have to set up the course. But here we have, I think the total maximum yardage is roughly 6,217 yards, and the players, the ladies here are going to play roughly about 6,000 yards out of that, which is what our international standards are. So the way the course is set up, and the way it performs is just as comparable to many courses across the world, and in India it's one of the best courses that we play.
My honest review, I played last year for the first time. I hadn't played before, but I really enjoyed being here. As Sir mentioned, the winds make it pretty, challenging, and the layout is also a very interesting. It's not an easy layout at all. Some of the fairways are pretty narrow, so you kind of have to stay in it and be careful about the shots you're hitting with the tees. So I think it's a great course, and small greens as well, so it's tough to hit a lot of greens. So overall it can be a pretty challenging course, but looking forward to having a good week, and thank you sir for your hospitality. I think every time we come here we are welcomed very nicely, and I mean the fact that the media is also covering this week and things like that, so it definitely adds to us wanting to be here even more, so thank you for that.
I played here a long time ago last, and I remember the golf course really well. It's always a pleasure to come back here. I like Mysore a lot. I enjoy the food a lot, and the dosas, and the people are super nice, so I love coming back. I like the golf course. It's not often we play in so much wind, so I think it's really good practice for us, because when we play in Europe, we do get a lot of wind, so I think it's a great track to practice on. I'm excited to be here, and it's nice to be welcomed so warmly, so thank you all.
My views are actually the same as everyone here. I think it's one of the best tracks in India to prepare, since the conditions over here are very similar to what we play in Europe, and it often helps because the fairways are so narrow, so it keeps us on our toes, and we have to get our best game forward. And I don't think any other course provides all three challenges of narrow fairways, small greens, and windy conditions together. So definitely always look forward to coming back here. And once again, thank you so much for having us.
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ಬೇಲಾತಿ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿನ 4 ಅಮೇಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲ್. ಬಂದು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ over to Pranavi for any of your questions. She is going to be representing Asian Games ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2ನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
I can't remember my life without golf, because I started very young, and there's not a lot I can say, but I would like to welcome all the girls to Mysore. I hope you have a good week, and the golf course is challenging, like they all said, and it prepares me especially to play in Europe with the wind and small greens. So I enjoyed playing there. Everyone here is like family to me, and I'm excited to go out there in Japan and represent the tricolors. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು 6 ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಯುರೋಪ್ ಹೋಗಿ
ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಅರುಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬೇರರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. WGI ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬೇರರ್ಸ್ and staff, we thank you. The primary sponsor Hero, all top players on the dais here, the government director Kini, and most important, I thank all the media people who have responded to our calls and we here in good numbers. Our champion Pranavi Aras, whom we are so proud of, members of JWC, staff of JWC, like the coach in charge Sumaya, our coach Sudarshan, they are all here. Our office staff Rajshekhar, Anthony, Priyanka, Praveen, thank you very much. Of course, my mentor and guide, Mr. Paramjit Singh, Alvana, Manjunath, Suresh, Deep, and Madhuswami. Thank you so much.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ್ತೆಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ಶ್ರೀಗರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಾಳದ ಗರಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.